here again to continue our lesson on common advanced pattern progressions. So we ended the last class on the 7-3-6 progression. Now we're going to go into the 3-6-2 progression in this case. So I'm going to revisit the common circular progression of the 3-6-2, then we're going to play the advanced progression of the 3-6-2. We're going to be on the key of C. So on the key of C, the 3 will be this E, the 6 will be A, and the 2 will be D. So in our common circular progressions, on the 3 we play our altered chord, we played a minor chord, and played a dominant chord. On the 2 we had a altered chord, a minor chord, and we had a dominant chord. Great. Right now we're going to do a little flip of that for the altered chord. For the altered chord, we're going to convert that into a minor chord, and for the minor chord, we're going to convert that into an altered chord because of the progression. We have a 3-6-2, and these are minor chords. The 3, the 6, and the 2 are natural minor chords, and minor chords cannot go to minor chords, so one of the chords has to change its nomenclature. So that's what we're going to do now. So basically the 3 will be a minor, the 6 will now be an altered chord, then the 2 will be still a dominant chord. Right, now the advanced way of playing that is usually we take out the roots of that chord, which is a 3, and leave it for the bass man, and play the remaining chords in that minor. So we'll be left with a G major 7 on the right hand, we have a 5 major 7, and we'll play the 5 of that chord on the right hand, which is the D major. Just a triad already, we're just doubling up on it. So give me a voice that I'm looking for. So this chord will now sound that way. Then the 6, which was a minor, will turn into an altered chord. We leave the 6 alone for the bass man to play. And the altered chord on the 6 was that. So when we take off the 6, we are left with this chords, and based on the formal rule, like we always say, you always play the second inversion on your left hand, basically. Then the right hand plays the quarrel chord of that inversion. So when you play the second inversion of this, you will be taking the C sharp and the F upwards to give you that chord. Right? Take these 2 notes, take it down here. That's making the second inversion. And I said in the inversions class is that you can always count an inversion just by how many notes you move up. Alright, so that's what we're going to be left with. And here is going to play the quartal chord that we have in between of the root key, which is the F. So we could play it this way, or you could just spice up the chord and take this combination here, the C, the F, the G, and the C. You take it upwards this way, so you have that chord. So now what we have is, and you have this. So on the 3 and on the 6, that's what you're gonna have. You have a G, C, C sharp, and an F. That. Then on the 2, you're gonna have a minor chord if you want to. You're gonna have a minor chord here. So where we have this minor chord, you take off the roots. For the bass man, you play the remaining parts of the minor chord here on your right hand. You can either play it on the root inversion or you play it on the second inversion, depends on you, but I like the root inversion in this case. Then here plays the 5 of that root, which is F. So the 5 of F is C, so you play the triad chord of that. So what we have now is, then what we have of this. So it gives me a feel of my own. So it completely beats this. Completely beats that. It just makes the chord that much fuller and fatter. These are some of the things that the masters use to make their music sound easy. So anyone can play this chord. Anyone can play that chord and it sounds nice. So, yeah. But I prefer to play it. And that's what gives you. So anyway, any octave will get one, but I like this octave. But if you're gonna play the 2 as a dominant chord, then we're gonna turn that dominant chord to a dominant 11 chord. When we take out the 1, we apply the rule of voicing by playing a tritone of that chord, which is the C and the F sharp together. Then we play the remaining part of that chord, which is the B, the E, and the G sharp. So the left hand plays the C and the right hand plays the major chord of the E. So we have this chord, then we have that chord for the 2. So coming from the previous class, we had the 7, 3, 6, and now the 2. On the 7, we have this. On the 3, we have the altered chord of the 3, which is second inversion playing, and the right hand is. Then the 6, we're gonna have the minor 11 chord. Then on the 2, we're gonna have the dominant 13 chord. So we have this, and we have this, then we have this, then we have this. It's completely different from this. Gives you a whole new different voice. Completely different voice, but very mature and very full. That's where we'll stop for now. See you in the next class.